Welcome to second AV. We have already discussed about articles. Two types of articles are there: a an indefinite article, and the is called as definite article. And we come up to this point. If the noun is modified by an adjective, the choice between a and an depends on the initial sound of the adjective that immediately follows the article. This is all these are adjective: a broken, an unusual, a European, and these are nouns. That means here the basic sound of adjective broken, unusual, European, and so we use a and an there. Okay, now we turn to next. Remember that in English the indefinite articles are used to indicate membership in a group. That means particular group is there. I am a teacher. I am a member of a large group known as teachers. Brian is an Irish man. Brian is a member of the people known as Irish. Use of definite article the. Now, in what way we use definite article the? First use to indicate universal truth or unique things. Universal. For example, the sun, the moon, the sky, the earth, the sea. These are universal, or only one is there, unique is there, so we use the there. Definite article the. Second, definite article the is used to indicate particular person or things. For example, the man you met yesterday is my uncle. Particular person is there, the man. Second, the lady you saw at the theaters is my wife, to indicate particular person or things. Third, singular nouns representing the whole class. Example, singular noun representing the whole class. The rose is a lovely flower. That means rose indicating particular flower class. The scientist should love mankind. Particular species, particular class, the scientist. Nouns of rivers, gulf, seas, groups of island, mountain, range. Okay, before the names of rivers, gulf, seas, group of island, mountain. Example, the Ganga, the Pacific Ocean, the Himalaya, the Arabian Sea, the Atlantic Ocean. That means before the use of river, gulf, we use article the. Now turn to next. Before well-known books, example, the Bible, the Vedas, the Bhagavad Gita, the Ramayana, the Quran, all these are the scriptures. That means holy books. And before well-known holy books or scriptures, we use the there. Before superlative degree, when there is superlative degree, example, the tallest, the largest, the biggest, the longest. Number 7. Before newspaper and magazines, example, the Hindu, the Indian Express, the Times of India, etc. Before ordinal numbers, ordinal number means in this way: the first, the last, the third, the next. These are ordinal number. And cardinal number means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are cardinal numbers. Before ordinal number, we use the first, the second, the third, the fourth, the last, the next, etc. Use of definite article a and. A is used before a word beginning with consonant sound. We already learned this. Example, a boy, a man, a table, a horse, a young man. Number 2, it is used in the sense of one. A book, a pen, a man, a girl, a country. That means only one is there, a book. Number 3, with words little and few. Example, a little milk, a few people. 4, a is used in exclamatory sentence. For example, what a beautiful flower, what a beautiful flower, what a shame. An is used before a word beginning with a vowel sound: an hour, an hire, an honest man, an ink, an egg, an umbrella, an honorable man. The definite article A or an is applied before singular countable noun. Singular countable, countable, count, you can count. Singular countable noun. Example, an elephant, an umbrella, a horse, a youth, a year. Okay, in this way, in today's topic, we learnt the topic of grammar, articles, two types of article, definite article the and indefinite article a and in what way we use it in particular sentences. We have learned this topic. Thanks for your watching. Now, in the next topic, we turn to the topic of voice. Up to that, we stop here. Thanks a lot.